Jai Hind friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll discuss about the shortcuts of the percentage. Okay, so before starting my video, I'm just going to tell you about what is percentage. Okay, percentage is a fraction whose denominator is always 100. Okay, and percentage is denoted by this symbol. Okay, so I'm going to start. So how do you express x percent as a fraction? Okay, x percent as a fraction. So x percent is equal to what? Equal to x by 100. Okay, thereafter, so thus 10% is equal to what? 10 by 100. So it means 1 by 10. Okay, so it means one part out of 10 is the fraction of the x, or whatever you'll get the question like 10, 12, whatever. Okay, thereafter, how to express xy as a percentage? Okay, how to express x by y as a percentage. Okay, so thereafter x by y equal to x by y into by 100. Okay, so that means 1 by 4th into 100. Okay, like if I'll write here 1 by 4th, so then 1 by 4th by 100 is what? It is about 25%. Thereafter I'll write 0.8, then 8 by 10 into 100% is like what? Is like 80. Okay, so if you'll get the question like x by y as a percentage, then answer will be like that. Okay, so the next question is was, if the percentage of a commodity increased by r%, then reduction in consumption as not in increase the expenditure is. Okay, so what the formula what formula we will utilize? So I'm going to write the question. If the price of a commodity increase by r%, then reduction in consumption as not to increase the expenditure is what? So if you get this kind of question, so what do you have to do? R by 100 plus R into 100. Percent. Okay, so this formula you are going to utilize in this type question. Okay, thereafter, if the price of a commodity decrease by r%, then the increase of consumption as not to decrease the expenditure is. If the price of commodity decrease by r%, then the increase in consumption as not to decrease the expenditure. So what formula you are going to utilize here? So the formula will be r by 100 minus r into 100 percent. Okay, you're going to utilize this formula. Okay, so the next question is what? Okay, then we'll solve on the other topic. Like topic is the result on population. So how do we solve this kind of question? Result on population. Okay, sorry, this is not T, this is P. Population. So how do we solve that? Okay, let the population of a town be P now, and suppose increase the rate of R% per annum. Then what will be the answer? Like what formula will utilize here? Let the population, I'll write only POP, population of a town be P now, and suppose increase the rate of R% per annum. Okay, I'll just write annum. Then what? Population after an year. Like they will ask question like how much population will be after n years. So population after n years. So what is the population after n years? P 1 plus R by 100 and thereafter n. Okay, thereafter population n year ago. So if they will ask like how much population they have n year ago, so the formula will be what? P 1 plus R by 100 and n. Okay, so thereafter we'll discuss on the depreciations. So in the depreciation, what they will do? So let the present value of a machine be P. Okay, let the present value of a machine be P. Then suppose depreciations at the rate of R% per annum. So I'll just write. So the depreciation, I'll just write only DEP at the at the rate of R% per annum. Then okay, so what kind of question they will ask? Value of the machine after n years. First one is what will the value of machine after n years. So in this we'll utilize the formula P 1 minus R by 100 and n. Thereafter value of the machine n year ago. So for that n year ago we'll utilize the same formula which we used earlier, 1 P by, I'll write here like P by 1 minus R by 100 is the power of n. Okay, this formula you utilize. Thereafter, if A is a R% more than B, then B is a less than A by, if this kind of question will get, if A is R% more than B, then B is less than A by R divided by 100 plus R into 100, thereafter the percentage. And if A is R less than B if A is R percent less than B, then B is more than A by. So here we utilize a formula R divided by 100 minus R into 100%. So sometimes they will ask question net percentage charge. So if they will ask question like regarding net, how much net percentage change. So the change will find from x plus y plus xy by 100, net percentage change. Okay. Thereafter, uh, these are some important questions. Like sometimes they'll ask a question: if 20% candidate failed in an exam, then observations are like. Firstly, I will give you the question. If 20% candidate failed in an exam, then observation are 80% represent passed in exam, 100% represent total appear in exam. So 80 minus 20% is equal to 60% represent difference between passed and failed candidate. Passed and fail candidates. Okay. So if we'll get this kind of question, like I'm going to describe that you can achieve multiple question from one question. Okay. Like difference is what? Difference is 60, 20% fail, 80% passed. So the total is what? Total is 100%, and vice versa. 100% total. Okay. Thereafter, second one is if a number is increased by 25%, then observations are like what? If the number is increased by 25%, then observation are 100% represent the old number, and 125% represent the new number. Like 100% and thereafter 125. So there is increase in 25%. Okay. Thereafter, remember that the base in the given sentence is always 100%. Okay. That these are the key points. Remember that base in the given sentence or question is always 100%. Thereafter, example, income of RAM is increased by 20%. So the base is 100% his income. Thereafter 20% is what? Increment. So how much? It is about 120%. It is new income. Okay. Thereafter some important things are here. You can just write in your note down. In your note, 1 equals to 100%. 1 by 2 equals to 50%. Thereafter 1 by third equals to 33, 1 by 3%. 1 by 4 equals to 25%. 1 by 5 equals to 20%. If you'll just mug up this whole thing, you'll solve easily the percentage question. Like you'll get lots of help from this. 16, 2 by 3%, 1 by 6. Thereafter 1 by 7, 14, 2 by 7%. Thereafter 1 by 8, 12, 1 by 2%. Thereafter 1 by 9, 1 by 9 is 11, 1 by 3%. Thereafter 1 by 10th is 10%. Thereafter 1 by 11 is 9 by 1 by 11%. Thereafter 1 by 12th is equal to 8 by 1 by 3rd%. Thereafter 1 by 13, it is about 7 by 7 into 9 by 13%. Thereafter these are the things are the vice versa, and I'll just give you one shortcut. Thereafter 25% is 1 by 4th. 6.25% is 1 by 16. 125% will represent by 5 by 4. 150% is represented by 3 by 2. 200% is 2. 350, 7 by 2. Okay. So if the difference between 62% of a number and 3 by 5th of that number is 36, then what will the answer? So if the difference between 62% of a number and 3 by 5th of that number is 36. So what is the number? Okay, then what we have to do, x into 62% minus x into 3 by 5 equals to 36. Thereafter x into 62% minus x 3 by 5, value of 3 by 5 equals to 60%. Okay, then what? We'll just write here 60, thereafter 36. Okay, this is the value. Okay, thereafter we'll just subtract it here. So how much we'll get? 2x equal to 36, and 2x x equal to 36 by 2 is equal to, your answer is 18%. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, thereafter we'll go for the second question. So the second question is 40% of RAM income rupees 120, then find 75% of Ram's income is what? This is the first question. Second question is what? 1 by 4th part of Ram's income is what? Thereafter, third one, 1 by 3rd part of Ram's income, question mark. So the first solution is what? How we will solve? 40% equal to was 1200 rupees of Ram's salary. Thereafter, 75% is equal to what? 120 divided by 40 into 75. That will be 2250 rupees. Okay. Thereafter, the second one is what? 40% of income. 40% is equal to how much? 1200. Thereafter, the third one, second one is was what? 40% equal to 1200. Then 1 by 4th part. 1 by 4th part is 25%. Okay, of Ram's income is 1200 divided by 40 into by 25. So the answer will be was 75 rupees. 750 rupees. Okay. Thereafter, the third one is 40% of Ram's income is equal to 1200. We know that. Okay, I just write it clearly. Is equal to 1200. Thereafter, 2 by 5th part of Ram's income is 2 by 5th part of Ram income is 1200 into 5 by 2. That means 600 into by 5. That is about 300. Okay, thereafter 1/3 part of the Ram's income is 1/3 is about 1200 into 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. So that will be 600 into 5 into 1. That means okay, thereafter the 3 is remaining 3. So this is about 200 into 5. 200 into 5. That means it is 1000. Okay, so the answer will be 1000. So these are the question. Please try to find a question regarding this and try to solve, and this will help you to clear your CG80 and the 4th paper of ACC written examination. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. And if you want any personal assistance for ICE, or if you want any notes for IC and CG80, then contact on the given number. I'm just writing here my number. Thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind.